Welcome to my channel! I'm proudly introducing my new recipe of fish steam in Chinese style. Super yummy and it's very good. Join with me, let's cook our steamed fish Chinese style. And our ingredients for this recipe are... And the procedure of this recipe is... My fish is quite big. I cut the fish into 2 pieces. It depends on the size of the fish. And apply rock salt. In a frying pan, heat 1/4 cup of oil on high heat. Turn the fish. Continue until well fried. Rest fish while we are frying the rest of our ingredients. Heat wok pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add ginger. Now we add our garlic. And then light soya sauce. We add sugar. Time for our white wine vinegar. We add leek or spring onions. Put the onions aside. In with the fish. And then the onions. Cover and boil on low-medium heat for 5 minutes. Our fish is now ready to be plated.
And now, look! Mga cooking ina, it's so yummy. It smells good and very yummy. And thank you very much for joining me here again in my kitchen making this recipe, steamed fish in Chinese style. And I hope you will try this recipe for your family as well. And don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!